In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable tab preview in Google Chrome, step by step. This is a really useful feature if you like seeing a quick preview of your open tabs before switching to them. It can help you find the right page faster, keep your workflow organized, and make browsing a lot smoother. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Chrome tips and tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will take you into Chrome's settings page. On the left side or main settings area, click Appearance. This is where Chrome keeps display-related options that change how the browser looks and behaves. Now scroll down until you find the section called Tab Hover Preview Card. This is the setting that controls the little preview card that appears when you hover over a tab. Once you find it, you'll see two options underneath it. Enable Show Tab Preview Images and also enable Show Tab Memory Usage. The Preview Images option lets Chrome show a small visual snapshot of the tab, while the Memory Usage option gives you extra technical details about how much system memory that tab is using. Once both options are turned on, you're all set. You can now hover over your tabs and see tab preview cards in Chrome. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of tabs open and need a faster way to identify them without clicking each one. And that's how you enable tab preview in Google Chrome. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Chrome tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.